Lalani-ke ngintshele isimo sivele sabamanzunzu same time ngithi mina sihambile manje siye emncwabeni, in fact a memorial service. Nangu uThandiswa afika aphethe lalelani, angishonanga mina kahle kahle. Lo bekafuna ukungenza umkhuvu, lo bekafuna ukungibulala. He set up this whole thing and I want you to understand ukuthi angishonanga. He planned the whole thing. Fortunately amaphoyisa bekakhona, wathi isibhamu sakhe pho lalelani lempendulo woza la uhamba nami. Hayibo, sathi sajonge le ndaba leyo uMr Mayor athi yi-movie. Awu Nkosi yami, wathatha umpendulo wamkhomba ngompu athi lalela akho la uyakhona, let's get into the car, drive, here are the keys, drive. What driver ke usakhile wathatha isibhamu wasethi dubula usiza azange kukhonakale ke ngoba usiza ubeka umpendulo phambi kwakhe azange ikhonakale lento bese bangena emotweni nabe ya hatuwiwe. Now everyone is left behind, babhizi baba baze ngicela ingane yami nini. So usiza sekahambile, amaphoyisa afika nje basashaya bomap ukuthi okay ke hambani nindaweni esona so bazomthola yini usiza dololo. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we're going to be reviewing Smoke and Mirrors. Sanibonani abusheni molweni minjani yiphukile hingongweni namuhla kano ngokwa hina wa Smoke and Mirrors ikuma ku Rishla Sithamisekanga uTim nomngani wakhe badla imali le bayabolekile kuma mfundisi, and then it looks like the person that they were actually owing, they were unable to pay back, so which is a problem on top of a problem. Nangomunye uthatha imali udla nabangani bakhe. On the other hand, uThandiswa does not want to tell the truth, the whole truth to the policeman because she feels like kuzoba sengozini, but at the end of the day when she was going to find umpendulo, it was a problem for herself. So ifone ithi qinge ni message ukuthi ngizokuthumelela i-location la uzoza khona uyothola umpendulo if usafuna ukumbona kusasa. Now she takes the phone and pretend as if nothing has happened. She decides to go there unsafely, so alone. On the other hand, uSonto sekayateta, okay, well, not really uteta, but yeah, kuthiwa if angaba ne-stress nani uzoteta before time. Now guess who was there? Hayi unkosikazi kaSakhile, and bese udoctor athi you need someone that's going to take care of you so that ungabi na le premature don't. Guys kuningi cabanga ngizama ukurepapa in 2 minutes.